Here we have the girl's pen with Miss Bella all comfy. Whoops. On her little pile of hay. Hello, Miss Bella. Yeah. Oh, if you can tell, my gate has gotten really short. And I have dug out this gate 4 times. Last time was with the pick and shovel, and I finally got it to where I can get in without just squeezing through. And the brown tarp there is over the salt and mineral feeder, and the other side is still up. This side the snow took down, along with a little help from the goats sharpening or rubbing their horns on the string that was holding it up. And the pole shed there kind of bit the dust last winter, and this summer I went with the little pallet shelters instead, and those are working really well. But I think I would still like Maddie's Fort Goat back up. It's nice just to have a general area that's covered. Anyway, so in here right now are 17 goats, with 4 of them being babies from last year and 2 being the wethers, and everybody else is a mama, and I wish they were all pregnant, but I really doubt that they are. So, and then the chicken coop, and on around to, that's the garden up there. It has a little chicken tractor, little experimental chicken tractor in it. And on around into the sunshine here. I came out today and all the goats were standing, just standing, absorbing sunshine. True sun worshipping. Oh, I forgot. Over here, directly into the sun. Let's see how this camera does into the sun. That's the stanchion where I took the first samples, fiber samples. 3 days ago, something like that. It now has been snowed on again. Oh well. And Molly has gone into the one empty pen to check on the mouse population over at the back of the chicken coop. There's a really great mouse population in there, and Molly does her very best to catch. She's pretty good at it. She can catch mice once in a while. I'm gonna figure out how to do that a little smoother. There we go. Okay, this is the medical pen that I built out of pallets. Oh, it has worked so well. I was just really pleased. Of course, the babies got out almost immediately, but the Stripes, 2 babies, but they knew where Mom was. They went back, and that's where I had this empty pen. Is where I had Laddie. I tried to breed him to Pura, Nilla's doeling from 2010. We'll see how that works. Don't know. Okay. And the water pans are these little pans like this, and I have in them a bird bath heater. I don't know if you can see that or not. Oh, there it is. And that just works so well. I'm just really, really pleased with that. Oh, I got to take another picture of Miss Bella in her pile of hay. She's just so comfy. Yeah. Besides that, she has a sore foot. So, she's a very happy little goat right now. Okay. And then around to the others. This one, the rear end to us, is Carmel. Oh, and there's Dance coming around the end of her mama. That's Yang and Dance right there. Oops, a little too close. There we go. Get this down a little bit. There we go. Let's see if we get her. Yep, she's a cutie. She looked so big when I didn't have their mamas in here. That's Yang. And then over there we have Walk and Pura. There's Miss Walk. And Pura with her rear end to us. Oh. Dance has decided to come say hello. Hi. Let's see if we'll come get a drink of water. She's gonna try. That water's pretty far down now. With the snow all built up around it, the bank is getting higher by the minute. Hello, Yang. Hello, Miss Yang. There we go. Oh. What was that? Cold water or shock? I never can tell. Baby's getting the drink okay, so probably not a shock. We have tags in the ears of the original herd, and Yang came with me. Came with them. The original herd in 2007. She wasn't very old then. She and Yin were maybe 2 years old. Maybe not quite. Hard to tell. I have nothing to compare the sizes with. And Miss Bella moved. Yeah, if Yang's going to come, Miss Bella will have to move. So, there's Gomi. Let's see if I can get Gomi. His head's sticking out in the sun a little bit. There he is. And Miss Walk has decided to come see what's over here. Oh, and Carmel. Carmel's right in there. I have a little space under the chicken coop. Hello, Walk. Hello, Walk. Oh man, my toes are starting to get cold. That may be the end of this adventure. Oh yes, there's a whole bunch of them over by the back shelter. Michael built that back shelter. It's been really good, just sturdy as could be. I redo the top here once in a while, but and Miss Fanny's back there. My orange goat. And I have 3 of the pallet sheds, and then that one that Michael built. Oh, that's Miss Stark. And Lightning is the white one there. And Yin is the one whose head we can't see. Back there. The other one is back there. The front panels that I put on to protect, give them a door and protect, did not stay on. I have to figure out some other way to do that. Work on that. Under the blue tarp is the cob bench that we built the first year to feed them corn, oats, and barley mix. I don't feed them that anymore, but still have the bench, which they climb on, and the chickens climb up and poop on, and all that kind of stuff. Okay, let's take a walk up to the wellhead there. Everything is deceptively smooth right now with all the snow. All kinds of stuff under there. And we have some leaning trees, some really nice trees. And then from the wellhead, back of it is the back corner of the girl's pen, looking down on sheds. Oops. This snow is not very stable. Here, there we go. And down the slope, the chicken coop, the medical pen, and the path in between, which is pretty treacherous, with the barn in the back, yes, and the garden, and the poor old apple trees. That was a sad experiment. It did not work too well. And right into the sun, to the gate, to the garden. I don't know how big the garden is. I haven't measured it. Richard measured it, but I don't know how it is. But it's terraced to some extent, and not all developed, but we'll get there. And then, coming around, you can see the house in the background, and the snow, and into the sun with the yurt, and then back around to the compost bins up here with the compost barrel. And that's the driveway up to the wellhead, which will have to stay here. And, oh, well, there they are. There's my two faithful hounds. Right there, I believe. Yeah. Watching me. But they never see me do this. Whatever it is I'm doing. They just sit there and watch. That's the highest point on the clearing here. They just sit and watch a lot of times. There we go. Molly's gone off to see about something, and Sheila's just sitting there. Yeah, I think maybe that's a good way to end this little tour. And that's at Thornwood Farm.